Hello, I'm Dr. Shashi Agarwal. I'm a consultant in obstetric and gynecology. I'm practicing currently as a consultant in Agarwal Healthcare, Bangalore, India. Gestational diabetes is one of the most common complications of pregnancy. Gestational diabetes is defined as altered blood sugars which develop during pregnancy and they usually correct itself after delivery. Prevention of GDM is very important to avoid future maternal and fetal adverse outcome. Generally, the high-risk patients are those who have had GDM in previous pregnancies, elderly pregnant women, PCOS, obese females, and people with strong family history. Usually, in a planned pregnancy, pre-pregnancy control, some few steps can be taken to avoid GDM in future. That usually involves maintaining an ideal BMI by regular exercise, diet, and maintaining the losing weight pre-pregnancy. During pregnancy, usually GDM develops in the second or third trimester, though it can start from the beginning itself. There is a fine-tuning of diet and exercise required to avoid GDM, and it can be ideally done by maintaining an ideal weight during pregnancy, that is no weight gain up to about 6 months of pregnancy, or total weight gain in 9 months about 4 to 5 kg is enough. Also, the high-risk patient should go for regular exercises after consulting with the doctor. That is 30-minute walk per day on most of the days of the week, and also antenatal exercises as advised by the doctor. They can go for a swim, which is a good exercise in pregnancy. Apart from that, the diet should be controlled from the very beginning. No extra sugar. White sugar should be completely avoided. Rice, high fiber diet should be taken from the beginning, and because that absorbs the extra sugars in body. It should be a low carbohydrate and low fat diet. With this fine tuning, mostly the gestational diabetes can be put at a hold until later. Also, regular checkups and good follow-up with the doctor. The sugars should be checked at first visit, at about 6th month, and then almost every month in a high-risk case.